everyone, how are you all? So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make mini notebooks. So come, let's start the video. First take an empty matchbox and cut one side where red phosphorus is present. Now apply glue in the matchbox and now let's paste the matchbox in the color paper. After pasting, let it dry. Within that, let's cut papers to keep inside that. After cutting the papers, I have made it look like a book to keep inside that. I have cut this and now let's paste the papers in this. I have pasted the papers in this and now let's do some decorations. I am pasting a heart made of foam sheet in this. Our cute mini notebooks are ready. Do like, share and subscribe to Art with Aathmi. Stay tuned. Bye.